Let's see how to type less than or an equal to symbol in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, there are two ways to do this. The first one is by using the equation function by Microsoft Word. Now simply head on over to the Insert tab, click on the equation, and that will open up a field where you can type in your equation. Now, up here, you will see the different mathematical operations that you can use and choose from. And this one right here is the less than or equal to symbol. And when you click on that, that will automatically be typed in to your equation field. Now, another method you can do is by typing in 2264 on your keyboard and clicking on Alt X at the same time. And as you can see, that also immediately typed in a less than or equal to sign using only the keyword shortcut. And that is how you can type in a less than or equal to symbol in Microsoft Word using two ways. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.